The magic of creation spans from atom to you. Physical form now conforming to our radical view. Yo, we might battle your crew, create a classic or two, but for now we'll just communicate the magic of you. Yo, in a week I speak freestyles to stand the test of time. I rap the best designed to create the next in line. Shine like min wax applied by zealous housewives. My words put grass in the ground and clouds in the skies. Birds fly at the drop of a dime, at the drop of a rhyme. Form entire ecosystems off the top of my mind. Sharpening lines like latitude designating the poles. Fold the universe in half so all the planets are told. Mold oceans when I spit on the air. A dry land, flick my tongue and rock mountains. No need for mic stands. I be the beast of the field, chief engineer. Speak rhythms when I walk so everybody can hear. Yo, I commandeered perfection before perfection can stand. Out of pure love for creations, I created you, man. From dust to the ground, busted profound thoughts into being. Finish your squad in the image of God, ultimate, all-seeing. The breath of the prize, possessing fresh in his eyes. As we unveil the disguise and start correcting the lies. Yo, suicide notes quoted on CNN tomorrow. Shots rang out from Arkansas to Colorado. Model our perception that mankind's in affection. We cast a vulture vote and don't care who wins elections. Direction for Elohim gleaming the love that he feels. And Shaitan is molesting on the real, the souls that he steals. Realize the eyes in the mirror reflect the eyes of the Lord. Yo, and something now exists where there was nothing before. Yo, something now exists where there was nothing before. Something now exists where there was nothing before. Yo, the magic of creation spans from atom to you. Physical form now conforming to our radical view. We might battle your crew, create a classic or two, but for now we'll just communicate the magic of you. Yo, the magic of creation spans from atom to you. Physical form now conforming to our radical view. We might battle your crew, create a classic or two, but for now we'll just communicate the magic of you.
This be the antithesis of disrespected last. Like y'all couldn't catch wreck in the tape deck of a car crash. Man was made in half a flash and won't live past the future. Unreliable like non-compliant Y2K computers. The superhuman nature, glimpse of God creator. Paint the drama of the playwright in my paper theater. Trying to capture the view and flesh the tape of the hue. Walked humanity's shoes, he from the clouds could not construe. He made the magic of you and the simile of his imagery. With a genius like my words across the page in perfect symmetry. God said no one is before me, worthy of my glory. I make the dead to live, a god non-fiction telling stories. I'm the only category, mortal man cannot ignore me. My jealousy is purely for your good, so feel my fury. Fabricated in a flurry, a form, shape, and sequel of himself. He made his likeness and the product of his people. A fine fabric of emotion, craft our beautiful dreams. With the thread of loneliness to stitch the hollow in between. Because you think I am, because you breathe my lungs expand. Because you made the grains of sand and dolphins dancing on the liquid land. At your command you can't demand the globe to span. Make animals to flourish but give humans upper hands. You made a minds to understand, taught our souls to take a stand. You are Jehovah Creator, we are the magic of creation.
The magic of creation spans from atom to you. Physical form now conforming to our radical view. We might battle your crew, create a classic or two, but for now we'll just communicate the magic of you. Yo, the magic of creation spans from atom to you. Physical form now conforming to our radical view. We might battle your crew, create a classic or two, but for now we'll just communicate the magic of you. The magic of you. Now we just communicate the magic of you.